Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Rashmika Mandanna's fashion choices. From red carpets to casual outings, the South Indian sensation knows how to make a statement. Let's explore her trendsetting style. Rashmika's red carpet appearances are nothing short of spectacular. She effortlessly combines elegance with a touch of boldness. Whether it's a glamorous gown or a chic pantsuit, she always steals the spotlight. Notice how she plays with textures and colors, making each look unique. From flowing silhouettes to structured outfits, Rashmika embraces diversity in her fashion choices. The beauty nails the casual chic vibe like no other. Her street style is on point, often featuring comfy yet stylish ensembles that are perfect for any day out. She effortlessly pairs denim with statement tops and adds a pop of color with accessories. Her laid-back style is relatable and gives us major fashion goals for our everyday looks. Her wardrobe isn't complete without a touch of playfulness. She often incorporates vibrant prints and patterns into her looks, adding a youthful and fun vibe to her style. Whether it's floral dresses, geometric patterns, or quirky prints, she knows how to make a bold statement while staying on trend. Rashmika's fearless approach to fashion truly sets her apart. From statement earrings to chic handbags, she understands the power of accessories in elevating a look. Her choices reflect a perfect balance between bold and elegant. Notice how a simple outfit transforms into a fashion-forward ensemble with the right accessories. Rashmika's attention to detail in this department showcases her fashion finesse. Beyond her clothing choices, her makeup game is top-notch. Whether she's rocking a bold lip or going for a natural glow, her makeup complements her outfits flawlessly. She knows how to experiment with different looks while maintaining a signature style. It's evident that Rashmika sees makeup as an extension of her overall fashion expression, and her confidence in experimenting with different looks is truly inspiring. One aspect that adds a distinctive touch to her overall look is her experimental hairstyles. From sleek buns to loose waves, she constantly surprises us with creative and diverse hairdos that perfectly complement her outfits. Her ability to effortlessly switch between hairstyles showcases her versatility and willingness to push fashion boundaries. It's evident that she views her hair as another canvas for expressing her unique style. Even in her fitness routine, Rashmika manages to make a style statement. Her workout wardrobe is a perfect blend of comfort and trendiness. Athleisure enthusiasts can draw inspiration from her sporty yet chic gym looks. From trendy activewear sets to stylish sneakers, her fitness fashion is a testament to her commitment to staying both healthy and fashionable. In an era where sustainability is gaining importance, the beauty stands out for her eco-conscious fashion choices. She often opts for sustainable and ethical brands, promoting a responsible and mindful approach to fashion. Her commitment to sustainable fashion not only reflects her concern for the environment but also sets an example for her followers to make conscious wardrobe choices. What sets Rashmika apart is her ability to seamlessly integrate global fashion trends into her looks. She draws inspiration from diverse cultures, bringing a cosmopolitan flair to her wardrobe. Whether it's incorporating Western silhouettes or adopting international trends, her style is truly global. Her eclectic taste in fashion not only reflects her appreciation for diversity but also showcases her adaptability to different styles, making her a true fashion chameleon. Her influence extends beyond the screen, as she often collaborates with designers to create exclusive fashion lines. These collaborations showcase her involvement in the creative process, resulting in collections that reflect her personal style and resonate with her fans. From ethnic wear to contemporary designs, Rashmika's collaboration projects provide a glimpse into her role as a trendsetter and fashion influencer. One of her most admirable qualities is her willingness to challenge traditional fashion norms. She fearlessly experiments with unconventional color combinations, unexpected pairings, and unique accessories, breaking free from conventional fashion expectations. Her bold approach encourages her followers to embrace their individuality and express themselves authentically through fashion. What's fascinating about her style is her ability to redefine glamour with a touch of minimalism. Even in the most glamorous outfits, she often opts for clean lines and subtle details, proving that less can indeed be more when it comes to making a powerful fashion statement. Her minimalist approach demonstrates a keen understanding of the importance of balance in fashion, where simplicity can speak volumes. In addition to embracing contemporary trends, the beauty effortlessly incorporates timeless classics into her wardrobe. From the little black dress to tailored blazers, she understands the enduring charm of classic pieces and uses them to create looks that stand the test of time. Her appreciation for timeless fashion staples highlights her sophisticated taste and the timeless elegance she brings to every occasion. Beyond aesthetics, Rashmika often uses her fashion choices to support meaningful causes. Whether it's donning outfits from charitable brands or promoting awareness through her clothing, she showcases how fashion can be a powerful tool for advocacy and positive change. Her commitment to using fashion as a means of making a positive impact sets her apart as a socially conscious influencer. In recent times, as Rashmika embraces motherhood, her maternity style has been a source of inspiration. From chic pregnancy-friendly dresses to stylish maternity wear, she continues to redefine maternity fashion with grace and elegance. Her evolving maternity style reflects her adaptability and commitment to staying true to her fashion identity at every stage of life. One of the most captivating aspects of her fashion choices is the confidence with which she carries every outfit. Whether it's a glamorous gown or a casual ensemble, her self-assured demeanor enhances the impact of her looks, leaving a lasting impression on her audience. Rashmika Mandanna's fashion journey teaches us that confidence is the best accessory one can wear, and her unwavering self-assurance only adds to the allure of her style. Taking a stroll through her fashion evolution over the years reveals a remarkable transformation. From her early days in the industry to her current status as a fashion icon, Rashmika's style journey showcases an incredible evolution. She fearlessly experiments with trends, adapting and refining her fashion sensibilities with each passing year. Her ability to stay relevant while embracing change demonstrates not just her adaptability but also her keen understanding of the dynamic nature of fashion. The actress often shares her fashion inspirations, revealing a diverse array of designers, artists, and iconic fashion figures who have influenced her style. This transparency allows her fans to not only appreciate her fashion choices but also gain insights into the creative sources that shape her unique aesthetic. Beyond fashion, Rashmika extends her commitment to sustainability into her beauty routine. She often advocates for eco-friendly and cruelty-free beauty products, showcasing a holistic approach to her overall image. Her beauty choices align with her values, promoting a more conscious and environmentally friendly approach to personal care. Her dedication to sustainability goes beyond her wardrobe, emphasizing the importance of making mindful choices in all aspects of personal style. Rashmika Mandanna's red carpet moments transcend mere fashion. They are visual spectacles that have etched themselves into the collective memory of enthusiasts. Each appearance is a carefully curated masterpiece, a harmonious blend of sophistication and daring creativity. From ethereal gowns that gracefully cascade to the floor to bold and edgy ensembles that defy convention, her red carpet choices not only showcase her impeccable taste but also set the stage for a new era of glamour. The runway becomes her canvas, and she, the artist, paints it with bold strokes of elegance and innovation. Every pose, every step, is a testament to her understanding of the power of fashion as a form of art, a language that speaks volumes without uttering a word. These iconic red carpet moments elevate Rashmika Mandanna from a mere trendsetter to a fashion icon whose style resonates far beyond the boundaries of the industry. Her influence extends to the realm of dreams, where fashion becomes a manifestation of individuality, daring, and the limitless possibilities of self-expression. The actress' impact on the fashion world goes beyond aesthetics. It's a reflection of her philanthropic endeavors. She utilizes her platform to support charitable causes through fashion-driven initiatives. From participating in charity fashion shows to collaborating with brands that donate proceeds to noble causes, Rashmika seamlessly intertwines her passion for fashion with a sense of social responsibility. Her commitment to making a positive impact is evident in her choices to align with brands that prioritize social and environmental sustainability. This philanthropic dimension adds a layer of purpose to her fashion journey, transforming it into a vehicle for positive change. Rashmika Mandanna's fashion choices are not just about looking good, they embody a commitment to making the world a better place one stylish step at a time. What sets her fashion choices apart is their ability to tell a story. Each ensemble she wears is a chapter in her style narrative, carefully curated to convey a specific mood, theme, or cultural reference. Whether she's donning a traditional outfit that pays homage to her roots or experimenting with avant-garde pieces that push the boundaries of conventional fashion, her wardrobe becomes a canvas for storytelling. It's a dynamic tale of self-discovery, cultural celebration, and sartorial experimentation. Through her fashion choices, the beauty invites us into her world, allowing us to witness the unfolding chapters of her life, career, and evolving identity. Her fashion transcends the realm of aesthetics, it serves as a mood-elevating force. Her vibrant color choices, eclectic patterns, and playful accessories inject a sense of joy and positivity into her looks. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fashion journey of Rashmika Mandanna. From red carpet glamour to casual chic, she continues to inspire us with her versatile style. If you enjoyed this fashion video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.